Hey friends, if Windows Defender Start Actions is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the Start button, select Shutdown or Sign Out, and then select Restart. The second solution is to disable any other security software, and this is the main reason that Windows Defender, or what you call now Windows Security, keeps on glitching. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select Installed Apps, and let us say that you find a third party security software. Now I don't have it, so I'm just showing it for a different application. Uninstall it and remove it completely from your system. Remove any trace of any third party security software. Now in 99.9% cases this would be fixed, but if it doesn't, then the only option that you have is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.